Let's enhance our links by adding some cool SVG icons. You can find the icons in resources linked in this lesson and place them in your resource folder. I will add icons inside our links right here, EMG, and for the source, resources/YouTube SVG, width 15 and height 15. Let's also add an icon for LinkedIn, so image with a source resources/LinkedIn, width 15 and height 15. And for GitHub, image with a source resources/GitHub, width 15 and height 15. SVG, Scalable Vector Graphics, is a format for vector images, meaning they scale perfectly without losing quality. They are lightweight, flexible, and ideal for icons. Now, let's add some styles to make sure our icons and link text are nicely aligned. Let's display link as inline flex to turn it into an inline flex container. Flex direction row ensures the icon and the text will appear side by side. And let's center everything to make sure icons and text align nicely. So justify content center and align items center. Let's also create a class link SVG with a margin right 5 pixels to add some margin between icon and link text, and apply this class to our SVG icons inside links. I think I will also add some more text to the bio section. So I will paste those 2 paragraphs. And I will make the text a bit smaller across the side for a cleaner look. So inside the body element selector, I will add font size 14 pixels. And now let's remove any relative font size stylings from the styles. So right here, and make Chip's padding even smaller. So 10 pixels and 25 pixels for left and right.